have access to keys, software licenses, or files that contain sensitive or confidential information to which you want to restrict access to? Centrify helps upload this type of information as raw text string or in files to store it securely. The information you choose to upload is encrypted before it is stored. Let's see how to add secrets in Centrify. First, log into the Centrify admin portal and go to Resources and Secrets. In order to add a secret, click on the Add Secret button and provide the name and the description for the secret. In Centrify, you can add secrets either as text or as file. Let us add a text secret first. After providing the required text, click on OK and then Save. The required text secret is added. In order to add a file as a secret, select the type as File. You can also provide a proper password for the file if required, and the file has been added as a secret. There's also another way to add file to secret. Just drag the file to the required location to add to secret. Have any questions on PAM integration? Contact Sennovate for seamless integration of custom privileged access management solutions. Learn more about Sennovate secrets in our next video. Follow us to stay updated.